In general, Flexio universal spray units can spray paints straight from the can without the need for dilution. But in the case of some more viscous materials, diluting by 5 to 10% can give a better result. For the paint and varnish spray attachment, diluting by 5 to 10% is generally recommended. Now she will dilute the paint with 10% water. The stirring stick in the packaging has notches, each indicating 10% dilution. Then stir well, and of course always ensure that there are no lumps in the paint. The paint now flows much faster from the stick. As you can see, after dilution, the area of paint on the right is significantly larger than that on the left.